What did you just say, Caleb?
ABC. I have ABC.
Mm-hmm. Do you love your Comet? You gonna give her another big hug? What do you tell her?
Thank you.
No, you're supposed to say, you were just telling her, I love you, Comet, and hugging her.
Love you, Tommy.
See, she wants a big hug.
Thank you.
No, she wants a big hug. Can you give her a big hug?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
How about Cholo? No, don't kiss her. She's dirty. You can hug her, though. Oh, kissing. Go hug Cholo. Dirty. Yucky. Yeah, finger.
My Tommy.
Can you go hug Cholo?
No, I'll show that.